Some of you have been asking me questions about grinding my own flour from wheat berries, so I thought I'd put together a little video answering the most common questions about that. So first of all, why would you do this when you can buy whole wheat flour at the store? So the main reason to do this is that when you grind your own whole wheat flour from wheat berries is that you can grind as much as you need and no more. And this is handy because whole wheat flour from the store will go rancid after a while. Most of us have had the experience of buying a bag of whole wheat flour and then discovering 6 months later that it has that kind of off taste and smell, and then it's really no good to do anything with. So if you grind your own, you can only make as much as you need, and then you never have to worry about it going bad. Since I'm frugal, people often wonder if I do this to save money. Well, not really. I mean, whole wheat flour from the store is not that expensive. And you really have to buy wheat berries in bulk if you want to have the price be at all reasonable. It's very easy to figure out how much your whole wheat flour is going to cost though, because a pound of wheat berries will make a pound of flour. So to figure out if this makes financial sense for you, you can see where you can get wheat berries in your area and then just figure out the price per pound and compare it to what you could get in the store. You can buy wheat berries in a lot of places. Whole Foods usually has them in their bulk section, but you're gonna get the best price by finding somewhere near you that sells them in big quantities, like a 25-pound bag or a 50-pound bag. The best way to do this is just to Google and see what comes up in your area. A lot of times places have co-ops that you can sign up for, and that's probably gonna get you the best price on your wheat berries. You can store wheat berries at room temperature. They don't need to be frozen or refrigerated. They just need to be airtight. So a big bucket, any kind of plastic container that's airtight will work. When I get my wheat berries in the 25 or 50-pound bags, I do freeze them for 4 to 7 days first, because that will kill any eggs that are in the grains, which I know is super gross. But most people, when they get bugs in their grains, they think that the eggs got laid after they bought the grains, but usually the grains arrive with the eggs already in them, which is gross, I know. But it's better to not have them hatch. So if you freeze your grains for 4 to 7 days, anything that's already in there will be dead, and then you're good to go. And then you should just not think about that too hard. A grain grinder would actually make a lot of sense if you need to eat gluten-free, because you can make rice flour and corn flour and a number of other kinds of flours by using your grain grinder. And as long as you haven't used the grain grinder for some gluten-containing kind of grain, you should be good to go. And if you grind your own rice flour and such, it's definitely going to be cheaper than buying those tiny bags from the store. Here is what my grain grinder looks like. The grain goes in here, and then it comes out as flour over here. And here is the container that I keep my wheat berries in. And here's what they look like.